Mega Manila has one huge bad habit that has been the bane for so long of so many residents all over the megacity, especially during the monsoon season: littering. And most of the combined litter thrown carelessly and intentionally on the streets wind up to clog the various waterways in the megacity. The sad truth, the MMDA's flooding czar bewailed, that gets in the way of the success of its Bayanihan sa Estero program, which our James Thompson narrates in this report.
The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority, or MMDA, immediately took action to remove clogged garbage from drainages in several parts of Metro Manila after the heavy rain last night. Among them, the drainage inlets in EDSA Balintawak, Quezon City, Makati City, and Malabon City clogged with trash of all sizes. Apparently, it has been a habit of so many citizens of the mega city to litter here and there as they please. Most of the time, all the combined litter end up in various waterways in Metro Manila. Meanwhile, the MMDA's Bayanihan sa Estero program continues, where clogged garbage is removed from identified waterways, which caused rapid flooding. The agency never fails to remind the public that improper garbage disposal is one of the biggest reasons the MMDA sees for the flooding.
Napag-akala nila yung mga maliliit nilang tinatapon or nothing, pero combined, it will really clog our drainages, and not only the drainages, pati yung estero mismo, kasi nababawasan yung capacity, yung flow ng water.
MMDA Flood Control Director Mark Navarro compared the waterways to a straw that when blocked by a tapioca pearl, what you are drinking will not flow properly. This follows a situation where they even retrieved a mattress from one of the waterways. The responsibility of every citizen plays a big role in fighting floods, especially now that it is rainy season.
Itong mga pagki-clean up ng mga estero natin, it's not just about a whole government approach. It is also about the responsibility, collaboration, coordination ng not only LGU but also syempre the private sector.
Yes.
So it's very safe to say na ang kalinisan sa kapaligiran ay responsibilidad ng bawat isang mamamayan.
The MMDA emphasized that the small pieces of trash we throw into proper garbage bins makes a huge difference in averting floods. The agency also assures to focus on and expand their anti-flooding programs so that even if floods cannot be completely eliminated, they will at least be reduced and recede quickly. J.M. Thompson, for The Nation.